Today, I'm going to teach you how to send a Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. This is incredibly useful when you need to quickly share meeting details with colleagues, friends, or family members, making it easy for them to join your virtual gathering with just one click. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your credentials, enter your email and password to access your Zoom account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your upcoming meetings and webinars. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your Zoom dashboard. Here you'll find various options for managing your account. Click on Meetings. This section displays all your scheduled, upcoming, and past meetings, giving you complete control over your virtual events. Now look over to the right panel of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Schedule a Meeting. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up the meeting configuration page where you can customize all the details for your new Zoom session. The first thing you'll encounter is the topic field. This is where you type your preferred title for the meeting. Choose something descriptive so participants immediately understand what the meeting is about, whether it's a team sync, a client presentation, or a casual catch-up. Next, you'll need to set the when and what time fields. Click on the date picker to select the day your meeting will take place, then choose the appropriate time. Be mindful of your schedule to ensure you're setting a time that works for all attendees. Right below that, you'll find the time zone drop-down menu. This is particularly important if you're inviting participants from different geographical locations. Select the correct time zone from the drop-down to avoid any confusion about when the meeting actually starts. Moving on, you'll see the meeting ID options. Here you have two choices. You can either select Generate Automatically, which creates a unique ID for this specific meeting, or use Personal Meeting ID, which uses your permanent room. For one-time meetings, generating automatically is usually the better choice for security purposes. Now let's talk about security features. You can add a passcode by entering one in the designated field, or you can enable the waiting room feature. The waiting room is especially useful as it allows you to admit participants individually, giving you control over who enters your meeting. Choose whichever option best suits your security needs. Once you've configured all these settings to your liking, click the Save button at the bottom of the page. Give it a few seconds to process and generate your meeting link. Zoom will create all the necessary information and prepare your invite link. After the meeting is created, you'll see the invite link appear on your screen. Look for the Copy the Invitation button located right beside the invite link and click it. This copies the entire meeting URL to your clipboard, ready to be shared. Now it's time to share this link on WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp on your phone, desktop, or navigate to web.whatsapp.com in your browser. You'll see all your conversations and contacts listed. Select the contact or group chat you want to send the meeting link to. This could be an individual person or a group of people who need to attend your Zoom meeting. Tap or click in the Type a Message field at the bottom of the chat window. This activates the text input area where you can paste your link. Now simply paste the Zoom meeting link you copied earlier into this field. The link will appear as a clickable URL that recipients can use to join your meeting directly. Finally, click or tap the Send button to share the link. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a Zoom meeting and shared the link via WhatsApp, making it incredibly convenient for your participants to join. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.